I changed over the wires and now my input and output is on the short, thick one on that side, and my scope probe is on the thin wire that I had used for my output. My output is quite a bit dimmer, I would imagine, but my capacitors are charging very healthily. The yellow trace on the scope there is on these lines here. Okay, it's built up now, it looks a lot better, much more powerful. I'm going to take the earth off there and let's go back to the capacitors. Discharging the capacitors through the lights. Okay, putting the earth back on. It's my output here. And I'm still only using 12.3 volts at 228 milliampere, 0.228 milliampere, my input. I thank you very much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.